Kilarigbo Live TV.
Èmi ni ìyáàfin Ọláwùnmí Elizabeth Adeboye.
Báwo lẹ ṣe jẹ́ sí fún wọn tọ́mà?
Èmi ni first wife Gbenga Adeboye. Ìyàwó ìgbà ìwé ẹ̀.
Lórí ìrìn àjò àwọn kan believe pé bí ẹ ti separate ni ẹ fẹ́ra mọ́ ni nígbà tó tún wáyé àwọn èèyàn wá believe pé àwọn èèyàn kan ní ìgbàgbọ́ pé bí ẹ fẹ́ra mọ́ gan ni àwọn èèyàn ṣì ń bá eré ìfẹ́ yẹn lọ ní sólò.
Ṣé mọ̀ pé ọ̀rọ̀ ọkọ láyà kò sẹ́ni tó lè dá sí, kò dẹ̀ sẹ́ni tó lè mọ̀ tán. Tí àwọn èèyàn bá believe wípé we've separated, okay. But it's all left for us, both of us, to know that we still see. We used to see then. We were seeing, you know. So I've got the first two children for him. And if I don't stay with him, does not really mean that we don't see. Yes, we do. We're still in a relationship. Yep.
Okay, nígbà tí nǹkan tí a gbọ́ gan nígbà yẹn náà, ìgbà yẹn fẹ́ lọ fún school kan bóyá seminary school pé ẹ múwèé lọ sọ́fíìsì lẹ gbọ́ pé wọ́n sick nígbà yẹn something like that to know that pé bóyá ẹ ṣì wà papọ̀.
Yeah. Nígbà yẹn mo wà nílé dádì mi ní Ìkòyí, so wọ́n ní mo ní ìpè Ọlọ́run, so and he has to sign some document for me, so I had to go to his office. Ọjọ́ yẹn ó dẹ̀ pé wọ́n lọ sí Èkó ọ̀dọ̀ kábíyèsí Èkó nígbà yẹn. So wọ́n pàdé mi lọ́fíìsì, mo wá dúró dè wọ́n lọ́fíìsì, so he signed them, then I took it over.
Okay, but nínú ìtàn wọ́n sọ wípé bóyá àwọn parents yín, especially your mom, wọ́n sọ pé bóyá gbà wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí ìrìn àjò yín bóyá nítorí pé wọ́n jẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀sọ̀rọ̀ pé ṣé yẹn ò lógo ń gbà yẹn wọ́n wò pé àwọn mi ti máa fẹ́lẹ̀.
Ọkọ mi lógo, mọ́mì mi mọ̀ pé ọkọ mi lógo. Ṣé mọ̀ pé as a child, my background, àwọn ẹni mọ́mì mi love gan o. Mọ́mì mi loves him so much. Because tí mọ́mì mi believe ń gbé tó ń rò nígbà yẹn ni pé
bí àṣẹ níṣẹ́ wa yẹn bí àṣẹ.
Ipe kì í ṣàṣìṣe, you know, kì í ṣiṣẹ́ díẹ̀díẹ̀ sí. I mean, mi mọ kí mi mọ
díẹ̀ tí kẹ́ lè kàwé
because I was in my girlish ṣe mọ̀, so òun dẹ̀ ni mo ló jẹ́ first love me. When I mean first love, so you know what I'm saying. So mommy me was not biased about him. People believed it was daddy wọn, tí daddy wọn tó bá ń bọ̀ láti Ọdẹ Òmu, tó bá ti ń délé báyìí, wọ́n á ní Gbenga wá gbé mi lọ sọ́dọ̀ girlfriend mi. Mommy mi ni girlfriend bàbá Fẹ́mi, bàbá Gbenga. Bàbá máa kọ̀ mí báyìí, a máa débẹ̀. Mommy mi á ṣe 3 course. Wọ́n ṣe akàn, custard with ice cream. Wọ́n ṣe rice. Wọ́n ṣe bàbá máa jẹ, bàbá máa gbádùn. So wọ́n ti fún wọn ní wine, a máa bọ̀ nílé. So it's not all about my parents. It's all about there was a little clash. Yeah, fine. Everybody ló máa ní clash. But I was in my husband's house when it was hijacked. Yes, I was at home. Mo wà nílé. When somebody just came in and said, àwọn ní àlejò, àwọn béèrè ọkọ mi, àwọn dẹ̀ ní tọkọ mi fẹ́. What do you want me to do? So that was just that.
20 years to this time. Ogún ọdún sí ìsìn yìí, àwọn èèyàn sì fẹ́ràn fún wọn tán jẹ́ngbẹ́ tí ẹ lè alọ́kọ má lálẹ́. Ẹ mọ̀ ọkọ yín kí ni ẹ fẹ́ sọ sí yẹn?
The point is that he was a jovial person. He was a man of the people. He loves people. When we were together, when I was in the house, mo mọ iye èèyàn tá ń bọ̀. I know people that will come for help. He never hesitated helping them. He will. He does everything in his capacity to do. Èèyàn ò ní bá ikún wá, kó bá ikún jáde. That's one thing I know about him. And he will allow someone to eat first before he eats. And he's someone tó jẹ́ pé èèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ wà around there, cannot stay alone. Why is surviving in the grave lèmi ò mọ̀. Bó ṣe lè survive in the grave because he cannot survive it. Ọkọ mi ò lè dá nìkan jókòó. You have like 30-50 people around him. You think it's a stadium. Nígbà tí mo gba shop sí 117 Ìpájà road. Bàbá Collington mo fi tọwọ́tọwọ́ pé wọ́n. Tó bá ń kọjá lọ, wọ́n á yà ní shop mi ní 117 Ìpájà road. wọ́n á kí èmi àti ọkọ mi. Alájà Sàláwà Bẹ̀ní, àwọn náà àyà, wọ́n á kí wa ní ṣọ́ọ̀bù. Even Shina Peter, Sir Shina Peter tí mo fi tọwọ́tọwọ́ náà pè dárúkọ. That time wọ́n ṣì lọ bí Santana Black. Àwọn náà máa dúró, máa lọ sí Stella Hotel, máa lọ ra imú agbárí ẹran, máa fi entertain wọn. Bàbá Kọ́lìntì àwọn fẹ́ràn Gulda. So àwọn làwọn máa mú. So a máa ṣeré gbogbo ṣọ́ọ̀bù mi kí ni mò ń tà? Ọjà Cabri, bọ́tẹ́ máa rò pé lè jó ni. Ọkọ mi àtúwà ní ó yá máa jó wọn máa lẹ̀ mí lówó. Ọjà tí mo tà lọ́jọ́ yẹn nìyẹn o, bó ṣe lọ nìyẹn. So that's that. Mo gbàdúrà fún everybody, wípé everybody and people to Untold line yẹn, that God should lift them. I have sons in the industry that acknowledged me, like Akpala MC. He's a wonderful boy. He's a wonderful, not let me use the word, no, understatement. He's a wonderful guy. He's my son. He's seen me for the first time, although, but we catch up on WhatsApp a lot. He's always saying, good morning, mama. Good morning, mom. Is there for me. So I have lots of them like that. So mo gbàdúrà pé kí Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè kó lift gbogbo wọn, even above my husband. Wọ́n ní tí ibi tí àgbàlagbà bá wà, ọmọdé á dàgbà bá. I want them to be, káwọn náà ga lágbára Ọlọ́run kí n dẹ̀ ní ẹ̀mí to celebrate. And God should bless me to help me celebrate them. You know, I really want to celebrate them. So,
ọmọ ìlú wo ni?
Wow. I'm from Ibadan, but my mother is from a very prominent home in Abeokuta, àwọn Afọbajẹ, ìdílé Baba Balogun Shomoye. So my mom is a Ni Shomoye. My mom is a Ni Shomoye. So my mom is from Abeokuta, while my dad is from Ibadan, the Onis.
Hey, hey, hey. Kilarigbo Live TV, ìkànnì amúlùdún àkọ́kọ́ tó ń gbé àṣà àti ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ Yorùbá lárugẹ.